Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install forecasting in Salesforce with opportunities, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of forecasting in Salesforce with opportunities, log in to your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher. Type forecasting in the search bar and select the forecasting option. If you do not see forecasting, ensure it is enabled in your organization settings. Once you're in the forecasting setup, locate the Setup gear icon in the top right corner. Click on Setup to open the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, search for Opportunities. Select Opportunities to access the Opportunities settings. Scroll down to the Forecasting section. Click on Enable Forecasting. A confirmation dialog will appear. Review the information and click Confirm. Next, navigate to the Forecast settings. Here, you will be able to configure the forecast categories. Select the categories that best suit your organization's sales process. After selecting the categories, save the changes. Now, go to the Users section within the Forecasting settings. Add users who will have access to the forecasting feature. Set permissions according to their roles in your organization. Once users are added, navigate back to the Setup menu. Search for Forecasting Hierarchy. Click on it to set up the hierarchy that reflects your organization's structure. Modify the hierarchy as needed by dragging and dropping users. After finalizing the hierarchy, save your changes. Next, return to the Forecasting Overview page. Check that all settings are correctly configured. To verify everything is functioning properly, create a test opportunity. Input the necessary details and assign it to a user included in your forecasting hierarchy. Once the opportunity is created, return to the Forecasting Overview. You should see the newly created opportunity reflected in the forecast. Review the forecasted amounts and ensure accuracy. Adjust any values manually if required. Finally, communicate with your team about the new forecasting feature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.